I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST HiTop CE riding shoes. Okay, the all-new HiTop CE riding shoes retail for $119.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update any of the videos or pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's begin with sizing. I wear a size 12 US in most common shoes. These are a 46 Euro, which per their size chart equates to a 12 US. I got a good, comfortable fit. One thing that I've noticed with all the RST footwear is they do offer good amounts of width inside. So if your feet lean towards the narrow side, these might be a little roomy for you. Average to extra width, I think you're going to get a good, comfortable fit for that. And that's more common here in the US, right? You see some of the other Euro brands, the footwear, can tend to run pretty narrow. These do not, and that's a real bonus for a lot of people here in the US. So we have a casual riding shoe, high top style, that's going to deliver a solid amount of protection that you need while you're out on the bike. The most important thing is it's got a reinforced shank in the sole. It's crush proof. You know, you take a standard pair of tennis shoes, you grab them like this and you push like that, they're going to fold right in half. Also, from front to back, there is some flexibility built into it, but from front to back, there is a lot of crush resistance there too with the reinforcement that's inside. That's important if you happen to have a crash and the bike lands on your foot. This is going to help prevent your foot from being crushed. That's why you don't ride in just standard tennis shoes. We also have reinforcement here in the toe box, reinforcement in the heel. There is a nice amount of padding that lines up right with the bones on the side of your ankle to help brace for impact there. Nice full suede outer. Looks and feels great. These things feel really nice to walk into. Laces, they're thick. Look like they're going to be really durable. Some nice perforation up here in the toe box of the boot. It's going to help to keep your feet cool while you're out riding. Got a nice pull here on the back to help you get them on and off. Fixed mesh lining. All in all, once again, a lot of value from RST. That's what we typically see. You look at these from a bigger brand, you're going to be closer to the $200 price point instead of the $119. Love the value, love the gear. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.